We provide Pearson and SAM modules, SIMNet projects, including Capstone projects, Shelley Cashman series, and McGraw-Hill projects. We also help with MyMathLab courses, covering mathematics, statistics, accounting, and finance, along with other academic subjects. Make a deal for complete course in very reasonable price, and also
In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to chapter 3. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. Okay. Then, in today's video, we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 3 ML1 airports. Just increase its size, change its color. Project description, we just increase also its size, change its color, so it must be visible. So in today's video we will discuss Exp22 Excel chapter 3 ML1 airports. Step by step we will solve this assignment, but before going to solve this step by step, let me move to our whole assignment, how many points we have in today's assignments. So in today's assignment we have 13, 14, 16. We have just 16 questions, and question number 17 is a non-grade one in which we have to save, close and submit the file. Okay. So in today's video we are just going to solve Exp22 Excel chapter 3 ML1 airports. Here is project description. So, as an analyst for airline industry, you track the number of passengers at top 6 major US airports: Atlanta ATL, okay, Chicago ORD, Los Angeles LAX, Dallas DFW, Denver DEN, and New York JFK. You research passenger data and created a worksheet that lists the number of total yearly passengers. You will create clustered column chart to compare the number of passengers at each airport. Then you will create a line chart that compares trends over time. And next, you will create a bar chart to compare the passenger count for latest year of data available and emphasize the airport with largest number of passenger traffics. Finally, you will insert a line of sparkline to visually represent trends in passengers at each airport over the 10-year periods. So all these just simply project description that tell us what we have in today's project, how we have to solve that one. Now we are moving toward graded part. Steps and to performs instructions. Start Excel, then download and open the file name. This one, Grader has automatically added your last name at the beginning of the file. So that file is already downloaded. Okay, we call that a solution file. We have to open that one. It is just getting opening. So first part is done. That is not graded one, but it's mandatory that we have to solve first part. Now we are moving toward next part. Okay, you want to create a clustered column chart to depict the passenger counts at 6 airports over several years. Okay, so create that was simply instruction about question number 2. Now our main part is start from here, that create a clustered column chart for the range A4 to L10. First we have to select A4 to L10. Okay, this one. Now we have to create clustered column chart for this range. So insert recommended clustered column chart. Then cut the chart and paste it in cell E15. Now we have to cut the chart and paste it in cell E15. Okay. So Control X for cut, then E15. Okay. So question number 2 is done. In question number 2, we have to create a clustered column chart for the range E4 to L10. Then after creating a clustered column chart, then we have to cut the chart and paste it in cell E15. Okay, and we have done that one. Now we are moving to our question number 3. You want to customize the column chart with chart title. Display the years as a data series, then enlarge the chart to be easier to read, then apply chart style. Okay, so that was simply instruction about question number 3. Our main part of question number 3 start from here, where there are 4 parts of question number 3. We will solve each and every part. Okay, type passengers counts at the top of US airport as a chart title. So we just simply copy this line from here, then come on here, select chart title, Control A and Control V. Okay, then in next part, in part B, swap the data on category axis and in the legend. So we have to swap the data, mean we have to select this one, then there is a chart design option and there is switch row and column. Okay, so now our data is swapped. Then in next part, in part C, we have to set the height 3.5 inches and a width 11.4 inches. So click on format, there is height 3.5 inches. Okay, then width is 11.4 inches. Then we have to apply style 7, okay, to the chart. So now we have to apply their chart style 7. Select this one, chart design, and there we have to apply 7. This one, yes. So question number 3 is done. In question number 3, there are 4 parts and we have solved each and every part step by step. In first part, we have to type passengers counts at the top of US airports as chart title. Then we have to swap the data on category axis and in the legend. Okay, then in next part we have to set 3.5 inches height and 11.4 inches width. Then in last part we have to apply style 7 chart style. So we have earned 10 marks from question number 3. Now we are moving toward question number 4. So the values axis takes up a lots of space for numbers. So you will adjust the values axis to simplify it. Okay, so change the display unit of million for value axis. Now we have to change its display unit. So double click on this value axis and there is a display unit. So we have to in that millions. Okay, then added the axis title to display millions of passengers. Now we have to millions of passengers. Copy this one. Now we have to edit the text. Okay, right click into millions of passengers. So question number 4 is done. In question number 4, after solving question number 4, we have earned 5 marks. Okay. In question number 4, we have to change the display unit to millions for value access. Then in next part, we have to edit the access title to display millions of passengers. Okay. So question number 4 is done, and now we are moving toward question number 5. You want to focus on 2029 data series by adding data labels. So display the data labels above the columns outside and position. Okay. Now we have to display data labels outside and position. Data label outside and okay. Then for 2029 data series only. Okay, so we have to apply for 2029 series. So we have to find, yeah, yes, this one is 2029 series. We have to apply data labels. Done. So question number 5 is done, and we have earned 5 marks from there. So in question number 5, we have to display the data labels above the columns outside and position for 2019 data series only. Okay, and we have done, and we get the answer. So question number 5 is done, and we have earned 5 marks from there. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Applying fill color to the chart area to make will make the chart really appealing. Okay, so apply light gradient accent 1 gradient fill color to the chart area. We have to find where is chart area. Okay, yeah, it's chart area. Now we have to apply a fill color there, that is a light gradient accent 1 gradient fill, a light gradient accent 1, yeah, this one. So question number 6 is done. In question number 6, we have to apply a light gradient accent 1 gradient fill to the chart area. We have applied, and we get this answer. Okay, so after solving part 6, we earn 6 marks from there. Now we are moving toward question number 6. Okay, till now we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we are moving toward question number 7. Okay, a best practice to add all text to chart for accessibility compilers. So add all text, this one, including period, mean we have to include periods. Okay, so we just copy this all text from here. So right click on this chart, and there is view all text option, and here we have to paste that one. Then click outside the end, so that will be the port. Okay, so question number 7 is done, and we have earned 5 marks from this question. Okay, so in question number 7, we have to add all text for accessibility compliance. Okay, so the all text is the column chart display the number of passenger including the periods. So question number 7 is done. The same way we will solve question number 8, 9, 10 up to question number 16. There are 16 questions. Out of 16, we have done first 7 to 8 questions. Mean half of assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need a complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description, as well as there in bottom of this video. You may see here is my WhatsApp number, and here is my email ID. You may contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable. Your file will be ready in next 30 minutes, and result will be 100%. So you may contact me. I'm available. I will solve. Okay, you may also contact me For full course deal, our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Power BI project, Tableau project. So whatever you need to have regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I'm available. I will solve, and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable. Result will be 100%, and file will be ready in next 30 minutes. So in today video we have discussed Exp22 Excel chapter 3 ML1 reports. In start we just work on project description. After that, then we move to our graded part and we have solved question number 1. Then we move to our question number 2 and we have solved question number 2. After solving question number 2, we have earned 5 marks. In question number 2, we have to create clustered column chart for the range E4 to L10. Then cut the chart and paste it in cell E15. Then we move toward question number 3 and we have to work on that chart that we have created in question number 2. Okay, then we move toward question number 4 where we again work on that chart that we have created on question number 2. Then same we have solved question number 5, 6. Then we have moved toward question number 7 we have where we have to add all text for accessibility compilers. Okay, so in this way we have solved almost half of assignment in today video. So in today video we have discussed half of assignment of this one. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my site. Take care, bye bye. Best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.